Hello, so as you may all know, yes, Lava Offline 1.3.0 is currently broken, but I have took all the time this morning to create a bash script where everything repairs Lava Offline 1.3.0, which is why in the installer you're seeing this photo over here called Lava minus 1.3.0 minus mods minus and minus stuff, which contains all the files needed to repair Lava Offline 1.3.0. In this case, in the assets folder in the database has everything needed for repair. If you scroll down, you can see everything's there, everything is present on the keys. You can see that. JavaScripts are there, and yep, this is the thing we'll be getting for Lava Offline 1.3.0. And that's pretty cool. Yep. And place of this button will be changed to select files. That's kind of old. If you want, yeah. No. I might change it soon to select files just because it's kind of old. So yeah. That's what I'm going to be doing pretty soon. So yeah, keep that in mind. So now I'm going to show you what the installer does now. So we double click install Lava Offline. Yes, I know I recently added a mod installer, but I'm using an older version of it just to show you. Because extracting is going to take forever, and I really hate when it does that. So I decided to stick with the alternatives, because I stuck it to the download. So yeah, now it's time to show you all what the true meaning is. So basically, you may see you may enter to install Lava Offline Beta. It's telling you to install or fix it, and that's not recommended at all. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Also, I need to fix this too. I need to fix that bug. So, yeah. On full screen, I need to fix that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to enter to install Apple. So, enter 2. Click enter. You may see it starts cloning like normal. You may see that. Starts cloning like normal. Now when it starts our dependencies, it's gonna copy the package walk, which is needed to install all the dependencies on the clone. So there you go. So this is gonna take quite some time for it to install. But I was finally able to fix all the bugs inside of the clone, so that way you all don't have to worry about it, at least for now, because more bugs are subject to come that needs repairing. So yeah, it repairs it all in just one batch script, which is pretty cool. I'd say but some of you probably wanted that feature too, so your wishes finally came true. And yeah, I just fixed a bug, and I I probably did or probably did not, but I think I did. So yeah, you can see it's go to COS beta, zip there you go. But any install I download, it's gonna close. So I need you to expect a little bit of bugging. I have no idea why it wants you to do that. We open this video, the install does not get stuck. When so far it's doing good. Which I can say, yeah, because sometimes on a receiving object thing, this gets stuck. Which is causing concerns of an installer bug. So yeah. Plus, Git will be making new versions, so I pretty much just won't be changing it. I'll just be keeping it the way it is, at least for now. Also, what this thing uses is a portable Git, so you don't have to install Git. Especially to those who don't have admin rights, you don't have to install Git at all. Also, pretty soon I'll be making a portable Node.js thing, so you don't have to install Node.js. I was thinking about that. So yeah. You see, every moment it starts preparing itself. See? Once we get to 100, it will stop preparing. So far, I copied the package.json file. That's what I did so far. Which is like saying one file is copied. After that, let's say it 3 more times. So there you go. npm is installed, and then it says right here all the dependencies have been installed, and the installer is now attempting to repair Lab Offline 1.3.0. When will those stupid Lab Offline devs get a life? Yeah, I added it will install, cause they just don't do anything. They make a crash and all that stuff. It's just causing concerns. So I made a fix for that. And what those mean is, on the first command, it copied the studio.js file that I've customized. The second time, it copied the studio.e28 file that I've made, that we have like customized. And then third of all, it customized the database.json that I fixed. And then after that, it says, Lab Offline 1.3.0 has been repaired. Please enjoy using it. If it breaks, you may consider telling the Lab Offline team about this, since I do not own Lab Offline. So yeah, this is kind of like this instructional telling off of some sort. So yeah. And I'll show you what you get out of it. So when you start Wrapper, where you don't have variables, you'll immediately notice all those pop-ups. So, to fix that, what you do is you go to settings. The only place I'll be clean automatic fix. So, what you do here is you press 1 to enable variables mode. And then, turn off skipping dependency install, so it'll be just do 4 over here. Turns off skipping dependencies. Yep, it turns off dependencies. There you go. Then you double click the start wrapper thing. You can see if it's a bug with the auto updater. I'll have to consider making a fix for that, even though I've already done it in modded revision. You can see here the npm starts up just fine because repairs the installer has done. Yep, you may notice that it starts up just fine. So yep, there you go. There's also no indicator on the database, so you're good. Or the reason I'm going to Google Chrome Portable, because SwimJet doesn't like let you. Yeah, because SwimJet doesn't let you use this version of Wrapper, so I have to go with my old Chrome for this. And man, they should really fix the movie uploader. Because what it uses is some old. Yeah, this is what you don't want. And this is old scripted, so right now character uploading works, not movie uploading. I'm not sure why they put that there, but. And I'll show you how you can make videos out of this thing. You can create characters just fine, browse them just fine, and you can make a video too. The elevator is what we're really worried about, so let's test it out. So far it has some smooth loading, and nothing should lag. There you go, you have a loaded Wrapper. And yes, if you import, it will import just fine. It should import. Yeah. Because on certain files, it would not load, like this Taco Bell logo would not load. If you import that support, it should load just fine. There you go, it loads just fine, and you see it right there. Yep, there you go, folks. There you go. You can even update it too, which is pretty cool. You can name it Taco Bell or whatever stuff you want. So if importing works just fine, let's do VPS it now. Yep, and alright. And like you know, if you preview from the first scene, you'll always preview at the beginning. But keeping the start frame way at 1. So yeah, there you go. Like so for instance, we change the scene on scene 1. Let's change the background on scene 1 to airport, which is what we already did. Yep, you see it. And then if we add a second scene, the military school, we preview from that, it should stay a military school. So yep. There you go, it previews at military school no matter what. It even stays at that same weight. So that definitely fixed it. And now you guys don't have to stress about it anymore. Well, let's just hope that GoTest fixes it. And plus, I'm keeping all the internal spill just in case it breaks again. And plus, it performed a fresh installation of the dependencies too, which is why it works just fine. And yes, about the mic recording, well, let's check it out. And plus, sound saving also does the same thing, so let's just do it. Yep, trying to save a file will actually break it. You can see here an error popped up saying that something broken got grounded. So you can see that. Yep, it says that because error saving sound and spawn rate is innocent. If you're trying to Mac recording, let's say something. Alright, this is the test. Oh yeah, it delays, which is why it does that. Also, you can turn the volume to either very low pitch, normal pitch, high pitch, or very high. Let's just keep it at normal, for example. Now you turn the volume either to 400% or 100 like you would do with every TTS speech. You may also type in a line, which is optional. If you add voice, it will probably give you the same error. See, it just did that. tried saving the sound and it came up with the same exact error. See, it just did that. Yep, no, you definitely can't mic record or upload until the issue has been fixed. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video today, this review. If you all liked it, then please make sure you subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you all in this next video, and peace out, folks.